Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, hello, my name is Raquel and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle vlogs, and today I am going to be doing a maintenance vlog. So as you can see, I am wet. I just came out of the shower and I just got done washing my hair, so I'm going to let this towel absorb the majority of the water and I'm going to let it air dry. Then I'm going to do my braiding pattern because I am going to be doing some crochet braids. So I'm just going to share that with you guys and I'll check back in with you a little bit later. See you soon. Hey guys, so I have just finished doing my foundation braids. I am going to be installing the Expression Havana Bounce. This is one of my favorite crochet braiding hair to use. So I'm going to be installing it with this. I'm going to be using my crochet hook. It is a large crochet hook. I hope you guys can see that right there. Can it focus? Yeah, I'm going to be using a large crochet hook. So yeah, so you guys will see me do the install and then I'll check back in with you guys afterwards so you can see the finished look. Guys, so I just got done with crocheting my hair. I'm gonna go shape it and, you know, thin it out a little bit so it frames my face a little better. See, it has like all these little wild frizzy bits here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shape it and let it frame my face better, and then tomorrow I'm gonna check back in with you guys because I have my nail appointment. My nails are in a mess. So I'll check back in with you guys, but this is my hair. I used approximately 4 packs of the hair that I showed you guys earlier to do my hair, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to a new day. It is Thursday and I am heading out to my nail appointment and to do a couple other errands. It is already hot as hell. What time is it? Let me just check the time. It is 10:07 and it is already hot as hell and I'm annoyed by the heat. So I'm gonna go get ready. I have to film some content for TikTok and Instagram as well. So I'm gonna go do that. Then I'll come back in with you guys and do my outfit check. I really hope I get to do it. And yeah, I'll check back in with you guys when I'm on the way. Hey guys, so this is my outfit of the day. I may switch out this bag for a bigger one because I have to carry my camera and my tripod and so on, but we'll see how it goes. Or I might just carry like an extra tote. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. This is my outfit of the day. So I'm heading out now and I'll check back in with you guys when I get to Am I looking? Yeah, I'll check back in with you guys when I get to my nail tech spot. So see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I just finished my nails and I swear there has never been a point in time where I've done my nails and I have not been satisfied. So I got a new shape. This is my favorite shape, by the way, and it's just like some nude nails with like some chrome powder on top of it, and like I just got like white on my toes because like I feel like I need to go back to my basics. Like the festive season is over, so right now I'm going to Grenada to pick up a body mist that I needed and get some other self-care items. Then I'm gonna meet up with my husband and we're gonna go get lunch. Well, a late lunch at this point. It's probably now, it's 2:41 at this point, so I just wanted to check in with you guys. So this is me checking in, and I'm really excited and I really love my nails. So showing you again. You can't even see it properly with the light. The sun is hitting right here, but it is so pretty. And I'll see you guys soon when I check back in. Guys, so I just got to the Spiceland Mall parking lot, so I'm gonna go pick up my my body mist. I had to ask them to bring down that specific scent for me because they didn't have it in the full size, so I'm gonna go get it now, go meet my husband, and then we're gonna go get lunch like I said earlier. So I'm gonna go do that now. I'm a little distracted because somebody just gave me an old drive and I'm so annoyed, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Scent. That is my everyday scent. I bought the small one and I fell in love. I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me. Hi guys, so I just got my body mist. I got the white pumpkin and chai. I'm obsessed with this scent. The guy said he has one more left and I'm probably gonna go back for it. So right now we're gonna go get something to eat and then we're gonna head home, and that would be the end of today's vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. So I will check back in again. Why is the camera wobbling? I'll check back in again once we have arrived at the restaurant. We're going to One Love again. Go figure. I told y'all it was my favorite spot. So I will see you guys in a bit. Guys, we just got to One Love and I already know what I'm going to have. I've been craving like fish and fries for the longest while. So I'm gonna have that and then we're gonna head home. Hopefully the traffic isn't too bad by that time. I'm sweating bullets. It's still super hot. So I just wanted to check in with you guys and then I will see you later on when I get home.
Stepped off the golden, nobody cried, nobody even noticed. I saw them standing right there, kinda thought they might care. I had a dream, I had a dream.
Hey guys, so we're back home and I'm just checking in to close off this vlog. Thank you so much for joining me over the past 2 days while I took care of myself. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.